Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog, and this is Hemped Up. And today, I have just received my first shipment of their newest product, something that I feel is the way to go these days. Of course, the 500 milligram, in this case, is peppermint. You squirt it out of a eyedropper into your mouth, and a lot of people don't like that. I don't really like that. And I gotta remember to do it all the time. Well, my daily choice has now gone gummy, and I was excited about it when I saw it, because everybody likes gummies, fruit gummies, and CBD oil infused, 400 milligrams, and you can get it, and it is in like three flavors, assorted flavors, lemon, orange, and grape. And let's see, calories per serving. We're talking serving size, 1 piece. Total of 45 servings. Calories per serving is 14. Let's say, suggested use. Take 1 to 2 gummies daily. Chew thoroughly before swallowing. And that's it. You don't have to squirt the oil into your mouth anymore. You don't want. You want to go the gummy way here. I think it's fantastic. It's about time. This is definitely the way to go. Now it's flavored. Children can take it. And the big, look like big dots. Remember the licorice dots. I'm taking that. This one is grape. No problem taking them. None whatsoever. Take one before I go to bed. Take one in the morning when I wake up. So two times a day. Suggested servings, 1 piece, total 45. 45 pieces in here. Take 1 to 2 daily. Awesome. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and definitely take a look at the bottom in the descriptions, and you can click on that and go straight to my web page for my daily choice and HempWorks. So, thanks again. And again, we'll catch you on the next Hemped Up.